If you want filtered water with your faucet, WINGSOL's got you covered with this thing. This very high quality, heavy duty, you'll notice it in your hands. Like this is gonna be what you want. It has the filter inside you can unscrew and check out your filter in here. Make sure you do this for the first time because there's a plastic around it you wanna remove. So your filter's in there, you can clean that from time to time or get a new one if it gets like really dirty. It does come with a lot of different adapters, so it will work on different faucets, but you're going to screw this into your faucet and you have this valve here so that you can have the normal water coming out of there, but once you want to use the filter, it will actually go through here. So it goes out into there all filtered. You can also turn this on an angle if you want to use it that way. The sink water filter adopts advanced multi-stage filtration technology, provides clean and better tasting drinking water. It will reduce chlorine, heavy metals, and bad taste, and it will last for 350 gallons. You can get 3 liters a minute, and you can get 3 seconds for a cup of clean water. This is really high quality, really shiny. It's going to look great on your sink, and more importantly, you can have really great filtered water. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.